My child, in the labyrinth of our souls there lie scars etched by the trials and tribulations we have faced, scars that mar our well-being both physically and mentally. These traumas, they are not fleeting wounds, they are profound, life-altering events that burrow deep into our psyche, imprinting themselves upon us with a ferocity that cannot be ignored. When we encounter triggers, these scars awaken, unleashing a torrent of intense emotions: fear, hate, sorrow, anger, resentment. They grip us tightly, threatening to drown us in a sea of darkness, consuming us despite our desperate attempts to keep them at bay. We find ourselves grappling with a crippling darkness, a darkness that seems to have a life of its own, creeping into every aspect of our existence. But my child, within this darkness lies a hidden power, a power waiting to be harnessed, waiting to propel us forward with unstoppable force. For these emotions, as intense and overwhelming as they may be, possess within them a raw energy, a vitality that, if channeled correctly, can fuel our journey towards greatness. So what do? How do we navigate this tumultuous sea of emotions, this chaos that threatens to engulf us? We start by acknowledging the source, by facing the bitter truths of our traumas head on. We must be willing to embrace vulnerability, to accept the reality of our pain, and to understand the narrative that drives these intense emotions. Once we have made peace with the origins of our emotions, we can begin to harness their power. We allow ourselves to feel them, to truly feel them without judgment or resistance. We let them wash over us, filling us with a surge of energy that propels us towards action. And when the momentum fades, when the energy wanes, we repeat the process, drawing upon the wellspring of emotions within us to fuel our journey forward. For it is through this process of acknowledgement and acceptance of feeling and harnessing that we can unlock the true potential of our darkest emotions. So, my child, I urge you to embark on this journey with me. Embrace your scars, embrace your emotions, and embrace the power that lies within you. Comment down below and share your experiences with navigating your darkest emotions. Together, let us rise above the chaos, let us harness the power within us, and let us journey towards a future filled with strength, resilience, and boundless potential. Let us rise and seize the greatness that awaits us. Click here now to watch more and unlock the boundless wisdom of the champions. Wake up.